That is right, my friends. This is a video editor software which is completely free. It is free for you to use it, which, by the way, if you have a Microsoft computer in 2023, you can update your regular, they call video editor, to the Microsoft CLIPCHAMP. This is a software for editing videos. I made that intro video for with this free software, 100% free. So let me walk you through the basics. Of course, they give you an option to upgrade because if you upgrade, I believe you can use more like videos that they have here that you can use. You can use these free videos on their platform. So all these clips that you saw me use were free. The music was free, and you can add like an AI voiceover that you heard uh, me do it. So let me erase everything so I can show you again how I did this video. And it is very, even the basics, it is very amazing what you can do with this software. And again, it's 100% free. You get more access to videos and music like this one here. You can just add like music, and this is for you to import your media. If you have your own videos, you can import from your computer, and they have these free clips here. This record here, this is for maybe a screen and camera shots, just a camera, or you want to take a screenshot, or text to speech. This is the voiceover. You just click and you choose the language. You choose like a character. I use Eric for a man voice, and just type in what you want the voiceover to say, and just play.
Hello
and
there.
you and you hear that and save it. It will save it to your media here, so you can add it to your video here. Okay, so this line here is for videos, below is for audio, and on top you will add your text. Okay, any text that you add to your video, that is what that's for. Now templates, I haven't walked through those a lot, but you can add templates like your social media, stuff like that. They have like a subscribe and all of that stuff. I seen it somewhere. You can add some other stuff like ads. They're free. Some of them are, for upgraded. Of course, the best ones are for the upgraded members. So you can add more. So all media, let's go to all media. You can find other videos here too, just videos. And here you can add the music. It will show you all the music that's free. You can even type in just the ones that are free, because some of them you have to pay money. Like when you see this diamond here, or this yellow square here, those you have to pay or be an upgrade member. So stock videos, you can add like, let me show you. You can add this clip to your intro, like, subscribe, and then your video will play. They have more here, and they're all free. They have backgrounds, subscribe panels, and let's try this one. Actually, this one is better. You can just click on right click and delete, make a copy, paste, duplicate, even split. Okay, so let's delete, just do a right click on your mouse or on your scanner, and you can um, do other stuff. On videos, just pick on the video, right click, you can split it, split. Now it's become two videos. Then you can get rid of that, or you can just keep it, whatever. So let's play this. See, that is really nice. I actually want to start using this for my videos. And by the way, if you are liking this video, make sure you subscribe and give me a like. So yeah, this is really nice. And again, you can edit your videos, your projects with this new version of Microsoft CLIPCHAMP. It's completely free. Of course, they give you an option for upgrading. I actually like this better than the old video editor. I'm really enjoying this new upgrade. And here on the right, we'll go through those in a second, okay? Okay, stock images. They have images too, free for you to use. They have some for upgraded members. You can use them. And text, you can add the text here, the type of text, fonts, all the fonts that they have available for you. They have, of course, the upgrade version. I like this one. You can just add the one that you like, and it will have that nice little effect. See how nice that is? And they have graphics here too, shapes, overlays, and all that. So they have a lot of really good stuff. Like I say, I'm just trying this too, but I will definitely keep practicing and learning more with this new software that is, again, 100% free. Even the basics, I get this is for upgraded members only, but it's only, I believe it's $8.99 a month. It's not really that bad. Let's click upgrade now. You can see the plan. This is the one that I have. It's free, but if you get the premium for, oh no, I'm sorry, it was more than that. First month it is $8. Then after the first month you will pay $12 a month, but still not bad. You will get unlimited videos, 4K, premium stock, premium filters, single brand, and all the stuff that you already get. You get all the good stuff. So it's really nice. I'm really enjoying this new version of Microsoft ClipChamp. It's really good. Now let's go through the right here. Once you finish editing your video, you can export and just save your project here. Export it to your computer or to the USB, whatever, you know. And here it shows you the type of format that you are filming. Here you can see, even go through each, if you're gonna do this for like Instagram project, a YouTube project, you know, YouTube 16:9, it's the one that's best for YouTube, which is the one that I do. All right, so here, if your video has audio but you want this to be muted, then you can just click on the audio, and you will have the scroll thing to lower it down or to make it higher. Fade is more for like audio. Actually, let's do that with audio. Okay, let's add a free one here. Need to drop it down here. All right, let me show you here. Let's right click, split, get rid of it, and then when you see that purple pinkish line, that means it is exactly aligned with your clip. And see that there's the audio. You can make it lower, higher, whatever. Now the fade is for like the music. You want this to fade in, fade out. Let's hear the fade out. Okay, let's play it. Nice. Okay. So it's fade out, or you can just take the fade. Now the speed, you can do this fast forward. Same with clips or videos, you can do fast forward. Add an effect. You can add like I don't know, all kinds of effects here, and they're all free too. Let's add this one. See that it changes colors. It's really nice actually. I still have to go through a lot of them, so I haven't even tried most of them, but I can just I'm gonna keep trying. And here you have like contrast, exposure. You can make this change color, make it look like it's hotter or night, whatever. Actually, this is for like the contrast, how much light or how much shyness or whatever you call that, brightness you want on your video. You can kind of play with the settings here, and it's really nice. And the speed, you can make this like fast forward, slow motion, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna make more videos and make more projects. I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this new Microsoft ClipChamp is. If you have a PC that's Windows, then you should definitely upgrade it to Microsoft ClipChamp. It's completely free. Just make sure you do the update. But if you want to get more like 4K videos, you can do like music that's unlimited for you, then you should upgrade it to the $12 plan. And if you are okay with just the free version, you can definitely do it for free. Well, guys, I'll make more videos about this amazing tool later on. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, I will see you on the next video. Thank you.